This is the solution to the problem of the week. The question is, a ball is thrown upward at 20 meters per second. How long does it take to reach maximum height? To solve this, we use the equation of motion, which is V equal to U plus AT. The V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, and T is time. So let's bring out the given values. Our initial velocity, U, is equal to 20 meters per second. The acceleration, A, is a constant, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. But because the ball acts downwards, which is gravity acting downwards, we use negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Our final velocity will be 0 because at maximum height, the velocity becomes 0 meters per second. So now we can substitute into the formula. So therefore, our V becomes 0 equal to U is 20 plus our acceleration is a negative 9.8 times our time is unknown. Remember, we're asked to find the time, how long it takes. So next we have 0 equal to 20. Now plus minus is a minus, so we have 9.8t. So what next? We collect like terms. So we move these to the right. So we now have 9.8t equal to 20. So what next? We divide both sides by 9.8. So I divide this side by 9.8 and divide the right hand side by 9.8. So 9.8 cancel out 9.8. So therefore t is equal to 20 over 9.8 will give us 2.04 seconds. So it means that the ball takes about 2.04 seconds to reach its maximum height. This is the solution to the problem of the week. Thank you.